Beco das Chagas,史山新里 Beco da Boa Vista, King Kwan Lee, and what exit Barbershop. Oh, alleys of Macau, met the guys at two legit Barbershop in the alleys of Beco da Boa Vista. Beco da Boa Vista. Checking out Beco das Chagas, which led to Beco da Boa Vista, and it brought me to a legit barbershop. To a legit barbershop in Macau. Oh, in Macau. To a legit barbershop.
Okay, this is a little Beco das Chagas, and we're kind of in this cool little area. There's some other streets right here called Boa Vista, and we're gonna kind of explore down in that way, but our little street is basically up this one. You can see our street sign here, you can see our street sign here, and all the buildings everywhere as well. So we're kind of in a little labyrinth, nice little pocket of Macau. So let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, Beco das Chagas. And I think we're going to, we're gonna go around a little bit and just kind of show you like down and around a little bit. And our street is gonna be up there. But I'm just kind of curious about what's in these little spaces. If they link to something else or not. Oh, they might. Sometimes these go into different apartments, and sometimes there's exits and entrances in different ways. So it looks like this is just a little patio in here. And some of these could be connected to Chagas as well. I'm not 100% sure, because Chagas would be right to the right of this. So it's possible that they could have a Chagas address as a public address. We're gonna look. I hear some people talking over there, so I'm a little bit unsure. Oh yeah, okay, that's the end of it right there. So we'll just walk, I'll just set my foot over it. And we'll just see what's in here. Crazy Sport, looks like that's not there anymore. And then this is our little Beco right there. And then this just goes up against the wall. So our little Beco, maybe that one inside is the ending of it. Let's just see what some of this stuff is. A little teapot. Got a street lamp right there. Then we just have all these kind of cool looking apartments everywhere. So it looks like a pretty interesting little area. And then this one opens up right to here, Chagas. And then it looks like our Chagas just ends right here. And then if we keep on walking down, we'll just go right into these streets called Boa Vista. So you can see the street sign right there, Boa Vista. So that's basically it right there. Got some chairs in here as well. Then that actually goes down to the consulate down that way. So this little Beco de Boa Vista, and then the Portuguese consulate is right there, straight ahead. So we might go down there a little bit, but we're gonna walk around first in our little spot. So I guess it's called Beco de Vista. I just walked by a hair salon there as well. So we got all kinds of little shops in here. And I think this goes all the way down to this Lazarus district. So we're gonna walk all the way down that way as well. And, okay, so over here you can see the back of the Portuguese consulate. And then you can also see some of this architecture of Rua do Campo. And this will basically kind of snake around into the Lazarus district. And then up here, we're going to be looking down on some stuff so you can see some interesting housing straight ahead. And then right down there, it goes down Portuguese consulate. And I think I could backtrack and go back down. There's a tattoo parlor I didn't really capture very well. But I think what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to take it and follow it down to the Lazarus district, and then we'll call it the Chagas, Beco de Chagas, because it's basically based there. But as you can see, there's kind of a cool little labyrinth into this Lazarus district. And I guess I haven't really filmed, I have filmed in here before, but I don't think I filmed Chagas in particular. So one of my goals sometimes is just to... Okay, so they've got little O'Clock Cafe. And we're gonna, yeah, one of the goals is capture every street. I just lost my battery. Here's a little statue right there. That's pretty cool. It overlooks this space. So yeah, and basically I guess we could actually do Boa Vista as well. Just kind of say we did both, even though technically we did Chagas was our focus. But we're basically going along this one too. The Boa Vista. I have filmed it again, so I think what I'll do is I'll put it in the back, and then if somebody wants to capture it or really want to see it again from a different time period, they can. And then this is this Lazarus district. So all the way down that way, you can just keep going all the way downhill, and then you're at Rua do Campo, and then you have like Volong Street right there. And then you have St. Roque Street straight ahead in front of us, and then down here we have St. Miguel Street. And then you can actually also take another street that goes up into here and kind of roll, explore up again. I think it goes back up towards Boa Vista again. So anyways, this is this little Lazarus district. Kind of cool, kind of interesting. Okay. And on that note, we'll end it. And that was Chagas. Hello, how you guys doing? The tattoo shop?
You just passed by our shop.
You're this guy?
Yeah, that's me.
Actually follows you.
What's up?
Hey guys, these guys are in the tattoo shop at the corner of the video.
Barbershop.
Yeah, Chagas, Chagas and Boa Vista.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I saw you. This is you, right?
Yep, let me turn that off.
See?
A lot of barbershop move to this area because it's a much very quiet, relaxing area.
Yeah. Oh, that's kind of cool. So, and how long have you guys been in this shop?
We moved here for 2 years already.
2 years ago? And if somebody wants to find it, they can find it on the map. I'll put it on the map in here, but this is, yeah, Boa Vista and Chagas.
Yeah, basically this is the Portuguese consulate. Yeah. So
just at the back of
most people know the Portuguese consulate.
So all they have to do is just get there
Walk up here.
and come up the hill. So they come up the back side. So there's the front side and the back side. They come up around the back side and then go up the hill a little bit, up Boa Vista.
Yeah.
Sounds good. So you guys, so if you come and watch this channel, tell them that that you saw it on the video as well.
Yeah.